masarap mabuhay. Mabuhay, masarap mabuhay. Mabuhay, masarap mabuhay. Mabuhay, masarap mabuhay.
Living the Philippines life. We're living the Filipino life. Living the Philippines life. We're living the Filipino life. Cool kahit mainit.
Well, the food was amazing. Like, I mean, everything, it felt like I was home when I was eating it, so it was really good.
Kakain ng kanin kahit ano ang kulang tao ko. Tuloy na sa munting tahanan. Tahan na tatawa na basta't magkakasama.
So, lumpia. Oh!
Magaan mga problema bilang Pilipino. Di mabilang na anino na kanino bang papel na may sagot.
Fantastic. You know, everybody loves the food. And we are so grateful that we hired you guys. Marvin, excellent, excellent. Thank you so much.
Hug life, wala kaming love life. Ayos lang.